Hi, my name is Mrs. Matheny, and today I'm going to talk to you about student supports for attendance and academics at Frederick High School. The first thing I want to talk about is attendance. Attendance is really important for students. Being in school every day helps students keep up with their schoolwork and make progress on their grades. Good attendance also is a lifelong skill for college and careers after high school. So coming to school on a regular basis is really important. But what happens if you have to miss school? If you are absent for any reason, you must bring in a note to the attendance office that has your name, date of absence, and the reason why you were absent. It should also be signed by a parent or guardian or a doctor if you're bringing in a doctor's note. When you come back to school, please ask your teachers and classmates what work you missed. That way you can get caught up. You can also check Schoology as teachers post resources and assignments there. You can also ask your teachers to call you for advocacy so they can go over any instruction. They can help you finish and submit your missing assignments and any other help that you might need regarding their classes. But what if you need help with your assignments and you don't have time to go meet with your teacher? Frederick High School has 3 opportunities to help students with their academics. The first one is the Frederick High School Learning Lab that happens every day after school in the library. This is free. All students have to do is sign up in advance, and we will provide them with a meal and transportation home after Learning Lab is finished. Frederick High School Learning Lab, like I said, is in the library, and it's from 2:20 to 3:45 every day, and it's a quiet place for students to work or get support from other Frederick High School teachers and students. So how do you sign up? All you have to do is log into Schoology, go to Groups, select FHS Links, and when you go there, you're going to see this yellow slide that says Sign Up for the Learning Lab. Click that form and fill out that form by 1:15, and that will register you for Learning Lab. You have to do that every day that you want to go to Learning Lab. Here's additional information about Learning Lab. What if you need help but you're at home? We have 2 free options for you. The first option is Virtual Learning Lab, where you can log in and work with Mr. Tressa, one of our English language teachers, on Wednesdays. Every Wednesday from 4 to 5 p.m., Mr. Tressa is available to help you with any of your schoolwork. All you have to do is join the Virtual Learning Lab group on Schoology, and Mr. Engelstadter has posted the Google Meet link right down there in the red circle. Click that link and you can log in to Virtual Learning Lab from 4 to 5 p.m. What if you need help outside of 4 to 5 p.m.? We also have Tutor Me. This is another free online support where you can get help from a tutor in your native language. You can access Tutor Me through your FCPS bookmarks on your Chromebook or on your phone. But what if you need other support? If you need support from someone else in the building about anything else, you can go to Mr. Chari, your assistant principal, Mrs. Wismer, your school counselor, or Mrs. Meha, our community liaison. Please reach out if you need any support, and we will do the best we can to help you.